In this video we will differentiate an implicit function which is square root of x plus square root of y equals 1. So first of all we will apply derivative on both sides. And then apply this derivative on both the terms. So we have d by dx of square root of x plus d by dx of square root of y, and we know that the derivative of constant is 0, so the derivative of 1 is 0. Now here we can apply the formula derivative of square root of x is 1 upon 2 square root of x. So we can easily apply this formula over here, but we cannot apply this formula over here because we have different variables in this derivative. So we must have y in place of this x so that we can differentiate square root of y. So we can apply this formula of square root. So we have 1 upon 2 square root of x plus d by dy. We will replace this dx by dy, and then in order to balance this dy we will multiply it by dy by dx, and this is called the chain rule of differentiation. Now we can apply this formula. We can see that we have y in place of this x, and in differential we have dy in place of dx, so we can differentiate the square root of y. Now 1 upon 2 square root of x plus 1 upon 2 square root of y multiply by dy by dx equals 0. Now we can take this term on the other side of equation. So we have 1 upon 2 square root of y dy by dx equals minus 1 upon 2 square root of x. Now multiply both sides by 2 times the square root of y so that this term can be cancelled out, and we have dy by dx is equal to minus 2 times the square root of y upon 2 times the square root of x. Also we can cancel this 2 by this 2, so we have dy by dx equals minus the square root of y upon square root of x, and this can be written as dy by dx equals minus square root of y upon x by rule of indices. So this is the answer.